Welcome to yet another informative episode of Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani, your trusted coach, simplifying personal finance and investments for you. Today, we are diving into something that's often talked about but rarely done right: setting smart financial goals. Especially if you are an expat living in the GCC, you know how fast time flies. Once you land with excitement, and before you know it, 10 years have gone by, and you are still wondering where all the time and money went. That's why today's topic is so important. Why setting smart goals? Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered, having worked hard, earned well, but still felt like you are not moving forward financially? That's what happens when we don't have clear goals. We drift, we earn, we spend, and then we wonder why we are not building the wealth. Think of your financial journey like a GPS. If you don't set a destination, how will you ever reach it? The power of smart goals. That's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Let's break these down with real examples, especially for us expats in the GCC. Specific. Don't just say, I want to save money. Say, I want to save 300,000 Riyal in the next 3 years to buy a house back home. Why? Because clarity brings focus. I've seen many expats say they are saving for the future, but they don't define what that future is. It could be a home, kids' education, retirement. If you don't define it, you won't prioritize it. Measurable. You must be able to track the progress. If your goal is 100,000 Riyal in 1 year and you save 8,000 a month, then you know exactly where you stand. When your goal is measurable, it keeps you motivated. Imagine you are running a marathon. Wouldn't it be easier if there were milestones on the track? Same goes with the money. Achievable. Be honest with yourself. If you earn 10,000 Riyal and say you'll save 9,000, you'll feel frustrated very quickly. Set goals that stretch you but don't stress you. Let's say you cut down on unnecessary expenses and save 20 to 30% of your income monthly. That's realistic and sustainable goal. Relevant. Make your goals match with your life priorities. If your dream is to start a small business back home, then your savings should align with that, not just buying things under peer pressure or to impress others. Too many expats get caught in lifestyle inflation, upgrading cars, gadgets, clothes, expensive holidays, but not building the assets. Ask yourself, is this goal helping me build the life I want? Time bound. Deadlines create urgency. Without a time frame, goals become wishes. So instead of saying, I'll save for my child's college, you should say, I want to save 300,000 Riyal in next 5 years for my son's higher education. This helps you plan better, track your progress, and stay accountable. A quick example. Let's say you are a 35-year expat in Dubai. You want to retire in next 15 years. Here's a smart goal. I want to build a retirement corpus of 1 million dirham by the age of 50 by investing 5,000 dirhams monthly in a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Now compare it with someone saying, I want to retire early. Big difference, right? Common mistakes to avoid. Let me quickly touch on few mistakes expats often make. Setting goals based on what others are doing, not what you truly value. Not reviewing your goals regularly. Not writing them down. Yes, as per research, just writing down your goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. My personal tip, here's something I personally do every January. I sit down with a notebook and set my financial goal for the year. I break them down by category: savings, investing, giving, and learning. And every month I review them. Just like a company tracks its profitability and financial health in income statement and balance sheet, similarly, you need to track your financial progress regularly. So to recap, don't let your years go by without a financial plan. Use the SMART framework to bring clarity and direction, and make sure your money is working for your goals, not just for your expenses. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani your trusted coach, simplifying personal finance and investments for you. And hey, don't just walk away alone. Join our growing community of expats where you can learn how to take control of your money and build a secure future without stress, confusion, and regrets. We've created a special WhatsApp and Facebook group where you can ask questions, share experiences, and learn in a safe, trusted space. The links are in the description below. Until the next time, take care and remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how smartly you manage it. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. I'm Mubasher Jillani, and with 25 years in banking and over 20 years of investing personally, I'm starting a new journey to give back to the community. Introducing my YouTube channel, Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani, where I simplify personal finance for expats in the GCC and for anyone who wants to take smart control of their money. Why this channel? Because I've seen too many people suffer, losing money, health, and peace of mind just because they didn't have the right knowledge or someone to guide them. Here's what I offer absolutely free: personal finance and investing courses, weekly market updates, live Q&A sessions to answer your money questions. It's time we take charge of our financial future with clarity, confidence, and peace of mind. Follow me on YouTube. Let's know more and grow more together.